Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Android TV is plugged in and on a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, navigate quickly to Settings, then Device Preferences, About, and System Update. You're starting the process now, don't wait. If the TV finds an update, tap Download or Install. This step initiates the transfer of update files. The why is simple. A stable power and network reduce risk of corruption and failed installs. You watch the download progress and keep the box powered. Interruptions can corrupt the package. Once the download completes, the system will verify integrity. This can take several minutes, then prompt to install. You may need to accept terms, do so, and allow the TV to reboot. During install, the screen can go black and reboot multiple times. This is normal. Be patient. Forcing power off mid-install risks bricking. After the final reboot, the system applies configurations. Once installation completes, you'll confirm success by checking settings about to see the new version and build number. If apps misbehave, reboot the TV and router. This often resolves cache or handshake issues. If something went wrong, install failed, boot loops, try safe mode or a factory reset only after you've backed up data and understand you'll lose local settings. The key tip: if stuck, attempt a simple reboot first. It solves most post-update hiccups without drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.